We've all watched as our Paris investments have been declining over the past few weeks, and with that I've got a few questions like, should we be selling off our Paris investments? And even, should we be doubling down and buying more into Paris? Well, first let's talk about why it's going down. The first and the main reason is because the sale has been going on for so long now that the supply has increased so much, putting fear into the market, making prices go down. And then on top of that, we've had the CS2 release basically confirmed for next Wednesday, and if the Paris sale continues past the release, it's gonna screw over Paris investors hard, because with the influx of players, more people will buy Paris. So to sum it up for the smooth brains, huge supply, alright demand. So then we get to the question yet again, whether you should buy or sell. And personally, I don't see a reason to sell at a loss, so the question becomes more, should you buy more? And I think it's important to look at the actual price range of Paris capsules, not holos or glitters, they're way overpriced. But if you look on Buff, they're under 20 cents USD, meaning there really isn't any other investment you can make with as much potential as Paris has, because nothing else is that cheap. And with the supply being absolutely astronomical, I can say with confidence it's not going to reach Antwerp and Stockholm range. But what about RMR and Rio? Because those stickers look so bad, they're kind of hard capped at where they sit right now, but they both sit around the 50-cent mark for their main capsules. Which brings the question then, do you believe that these Paris capsules are worth more than the Rio or RMR stickers? And so in my opinion, I'd be extremely surprised if I never saw Paris rise over RMR or Rio in the long term, because it just looks so much better in comparison. And so then, if you're in the same boat as me, and you're considering buying more at the moment, I think it would be a fine choice. As even Warren Buffett once said, be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. And so I don't think you should invest every last penny at the moment, but you can invest some money, and if it continues to go down, just put in a little more. And that's only because I believe it'll have a higher value in the long term than 20 cents. Just with the way the market has worked and the supply of cases and how they've gone up from 3 cents to $10, to me it doesn't seem plausible that something that looks so much better than other items that are already worth more than what it is now to be a poor investment because of its insane supply. But this video is slightly more opinionated than my others, and I don't want to lie to you about that. I tried to base my opinions off of facts and historical data, but we've truthfully never seen a major to be so successful in sales, and so it truly is something that we cannot predict. So I don't recommend you go out and follow me exactly without seriously considering the other side of the argument. This is just my speculation on what I think will happen over the long term, and I'd actually love to hear if you have an opposing view in the comments, as I'd love to have my mind changed. But yeah, join my Discord below if you want to talk with people or just ask some questions, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. That's all. Bye bye.